Hi, it's Fraser here from Unplug, and today I want to introduce you to the Unplug Easy Outdoor Adventure Chuck Box. If you haven't heard about what a chuck box is, basically it's an outdoor cabinet that has all your cooking and dining stuff in it, ready to go in one box, so you can just grab it and get outdoors more often. Let's have a look inside. It's got compartments, so basically everything has its place. This is the whole point of the chuck box. Not only do you have a space for everything, but everything's easy to reach. You've got separate sections as opposed to like taking big black plastic tubs and having to fish around for things. Everything has its place. Everything is easy to reach. This top section here is for a 2-burner stove. We've got a section down here that we put all our plates and bowls. Sometimes we put stackable mugs in there. Here, well, you can put whatever you want in it, but we put lanterns, and like we use a lovely insulated mug that we put in here. Over here, you've got a spot for a caddy, which just so happens to come with the box. So when you buy the box by itself, you will actually get this caddy as well. So it's got a spot in there for all your flatware, I think you Americans call it. We call it cutlery, sauces, salt and pepper, everything else. It's a decent size. And basically it has its own little spot, so whenever you're dining, you can whip it out. Whenever you're finished, you can put it away. Now down here, you've got a very large space that you can use for pretty much anything. We have all of our kind of fry pans, saucepans, kettles down here, coffee press and everything else. And then down here, you've got an area that's developed to take 2 of those little Coleman gas bottles that you use with your 2-burner stove. So you can fit 2 in there, so if you're going for a trip, anything up to probably about 4, maybe even 5 days, you'll have enough gas in there. You've also got on the doors 2 rings for a chopping board. Now we do have a chopping board, in fact we have contents for this box that we sell separately. Over here you've also got 3 hooks for like spatula, egg flip, serving spoon, tongs. Down the bottom here you've got 4 clips for tactical flashlights. The idea of putting those in the door is when it gets dark, you just want to know where your lights are. So it's just so easy having them there. You can just take them off the door and put them back in there. As I said, everything has its spot, everything has its place. So when you get to go out camping, it's just so easy. One of the questions that I get about this chuck box is, how big is it, Fraser, and how much does it weigh? So let's go through that right now. It's 23.6 inches in length. This is the box. 22.6 inches in height and 16.5 inches in width. So it's kind of big enough to fit all your kit, but it's not ginormous. How much does it weigh? 33 pounds. So that's 15 kilograms. Basically the weight of what it is for being an outdoor cabinet that has a place for everything in there. It's actually not that bad, the weight, you know. Obviously it depends on the contents that you put into it as to how much it's going to end up finally weighing. But I find that with these handles, it's really not too hard to pick up and put straight in the back of your car. We use ours either straight from the back of a car or on a table like this. And for that reason, we've designed a plinth on the bottom. Just open up the latch. So this plinth here is so that when it's sitting on a table, you can open the doors, or sit in the back of your car, you can open the doors and it's not going to foul on anything. We've reinforced it, so it's quite an attractive little plinth detail, and then we've got reinforcing through the bottom. All the internal compartments are cut in, glued, and then pinned. You're actually getting a lot of space, a lot of strength and engineering that's gone into this. You've got stainless steel handles on the front and sides. We've got extra large handles on the sides, so if you wanted to carry it with 2 people or between 2 people, you can, no problem. If you just want to pick it up and go and put it into your car, the back of your car, you know, the handles are fantastic for that. The front handles were made a little bit smaller. Let's just open them up. Also a stainless steel latch on the front. So the handles on the front are a little bit smaller, just enough size for your kind of fingers there to go through. And then each door comes hung, of course, and it has 2 pretty heavy duty stainless steel magnetic catches, so that basically when you shut the door, it's not going to fly open, you know, and you actually have to pull it fairly hard to get it open. And of course, when you transport it, you just put the latch across like that, and that also stops the doors from coming open if everything kind of hits onto it, you know. The box is made of solid bamboo. So there's no fillers here, there's no composite fibers or particle board or chipboard or anything like that. It's 100% solid bamboo. We've used bamboo because not only is it sustainable, but it's got a fantastic strength to weight ratio. And obviously when you're looking at something like this, you're going to have to shift it with all your contents in it. So we're trying to keep the weight down as much as possible. The box comes fully assembled. The doors are hung. All you have to do is put the handles on. We pre-drill the holes and supply everything for it. It takes you 5 minutes with a screwdriver. So it's sealed also for outdoor use. It's sealed inside and out. Let's have a look inside now. It's ideal for outdoor use. However, we do recommend that you keep it undercover just for the maintenance aspect. Any kind of piece of furniture, if you leave it exposed to the elements, you're going to end up doing more maintenance. So we do recommend using it undercover. So this is ideal for anyone who wants to buy a box that they can basically put all their cooking and dining stuff into it, have its own place, have everything organized. That's basically the Chuck box. I hope you like it. Please leave a comment down below. You can reach us at service@needtounplug.com. You can also follow us on the Facebook page. That's pretty much it, guys. So I hope you've enjoyed the introduction, and let me know what you think. Bye.